Okay, now let's flip it over to the back and let's do the data part. So, when you open your calculator up, you're going to go to Lists and Spreadsheets. That's this icon right here. And then we're going to input this table. Notice we're going to change that 22 to a 21. So we input the values. Make sure you also name each of the columns. Let's name the first column X and the second column Y. Then we go to Menu, for Statistics, One Stat Calculations, and then we're going to repeat that process for linear regression, quadratic regression, and exponential regression. So take about a minute, pause the video, add these two columns on your worksheet. Okay, let's go ahead and do our linear regression. So Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculations, Linear Regression. If it was doing that error on your calculator, just scroll back over to one of the numbers and then make sure that this part is highlighted. And we'll go to linear regression. For the X list, we're going to choose X. For the Y list, we're going to choose Y. And then we press Enter. Now notice we have M, and then 6.5, B, and then 1.66, and so on. We're going to write those values on our worksheet. So just basically copy and paste those into your worksheet. Let's repeat the same thing for a quadratic regression. So let's just go ahead and hover over to the next free space, which should be under F's column. And now we'll click on quadratic regression. Choose X, choose Y, press Enter, and then write these values down. A, B, C, and R squared. And we'll write these on these blanks. Go ahead and repeat the same process again for exponential regressions. So again, we go to the free spot right here under I's column and choose A, exponential regression. Choose X, choose Y, Enter. And then copy these values down. Okay, go ahead, pause the video, copy this down on the back of your worksheet at the bottom of it. We're going to add how to make a scatter plot on the calculator. So to get there, we're going to go ahead and go to Control, Document, number 5, Add Data and Statistics. Where it says click to add variable, on the y-axis, we're going to choose our y. On the x-axis, we're going to choose our x. Now we have a scatter plot of the 3 data points we put in there. To get those lines to show up, you'll press Menu, Analyze, Regression, and then we'll do one for Show Linear, one for Show Quadratic, and one for Show Exponential. So here's our linear line of best fit. So where it says y equals, that's what you'll put for your linear equation. So you'll put that on this line. And we'll do the same thing for the other two regressions. So here's our quadratic. You'll write this equation on this line. We'll do it one more time for exponential. Here's our exponential equation, and you would write that in our last line. So make sure you sketch a graph for each of the three regressions. When you're finished with this, you need to turn this into the basket.